Hi friends, welcome back to Vaji Online Teaching. Today I am introducing you a new website called as teacheron.com, and I will tell you how this website is going to help you to start your teaching career. Okay, how you can start your teaching career as an online tutor, and how this website is going to help you to get students to teach. Okay, so before that, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button so that it will be an encouragement for me. Okay, and also click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload new videos in the future. Okay, so let's go to the video. So this particular video will tell you about what is this website is all about, www.teacheron.com. what is this website is all about and how it is going to help you to find teaching job. Okay, how you can register in the website, how you can sign up in the website, and how you can find students using the website. Okay, so see, Teacheron, this is the website www.teacheron.com, and earlier this Teacheron website was tutorindia.com. okay, and recently only they changed the name into Teacheron. So when you go to the website, this is the home page. Okay, and it will like take you to this particular page, and for the tutors, for you to join as a tutor, just click on the join. Okay, and continue with email or any option you can choose, and you can give your details. And this one you have to choose, you have to give your name, email address, and create a password. And from this you have to choose whether you are a teacher or a student or parent. Okay, now you have to join as a tutor, so click on the tutor and tick mark this and register. Okay, so your profile will be created in Teacheron. And yeah, and see, if you want to get students, if you want to teach online, just click on online tutor jobs and type your subject, which subject you want to teach. If you're teaching chemistry, just click on chemistry, and since it is online, no need to specify the location, so click on the search button. It will take you to a page where there will be students who have posted their request. Okay, and yeah, it's taking quite long time. Search is still going on. Okay, just like you created a teacher profile, there will be students or parents who already created their request profile in Teacheron and posted their request. So if their request topic matches your area of interest to teach, then when you type your subject area and online, if there is a ad posted in the Teacheron which is matching your search criteria, you will be that will be listed out. Yeah, just it will go to that page. See this one. See, online CBSE chemistry physics tutor is needed in Dubai. Okay, so this is posted by the student or the parent, and yeah, this is this is like which curriculum and all they need, and for which classes they want the tutor and all. And if you are okay to teach them, then you can click on the link. And if you are a registered tutor already, then you'll be able to see the contact details and all, and you can contact the student, and you can decide how much you are charging for the for class per hour and all. And if that student is okay with it, you can just start teaching them through any online platform that you wish to. Okay, so this is how a tutor can find a student using Teacheron. Okay, and also apart from the subject tuitions, you can also get requests for assignment help for students. Okay, assignment help, thesis writing help, such request will also be posted from the student side in this website. And if you are okay to do that, or like if a student is thinking that your profile matches for his or her requirement, the student will contact you, because you are already providing your contact details and all in your profile. So the student will contact you, and you can decide how much you are paying for that particular assignment help or thesis writing help, and you can just start doing that. Okay, so this is how this website is going to help you. And about Teacheron, this Teacheron was earlier Tutor India. Okay, yeah, so So this is about teacheron. Okay, so teacheron.com is actually, it's a free website. It is more than thousands of students and teachers are using this platform to connect to each other, and their mission is like to make every teacher searchable in the world, and also to keep this website free for teachers and students, and also to provide students with a teacher within 24 hours of posting their requirement. Okay, it is connecting teachers and students from any part of the world to each other. Okay, so you have a very high chance of getting the best quality teacher that you need, and the teachers will get a student like to in like to share his or her knowledge in the best way possible. Okay, and the timings are also flexible. You can decide your timing, you can decide how much payment you have to get for your classes. So it's like going to do the best for you as a teacher. Okay, so there is this is their operating principles. All the informations are free, and it is user friendly, and it is connecting everybody in the world, and the quality of information is high quality, and zero tolerance towards any fake profiles, any spammers, any such bad things are not tolerated at any cost. And yeah, you first. Students are the future, and the teachers are what make them. So everything we do is focused on how to best serve the interest of students and teachers. So students and teachers are the first priority for teacheron. Okay, so this is their operating principle, and they work on full commitment. So, and this website started in 2009 as a the name was tuterindia.com, and then later on it was renamed as teacheron in 2013, and now there are more than 1 lakh teachers, tutor profiles registered with the teacheron, and it is connecting teachers with students from all parts of the world to teach for providing assignment help, and also for thesis writing help and all. So this is helping teachers to connect to the best students and to showcase his or her teaching ability in the best possible way. Okay, so this is about teacheron. So just try this out and start your teaching career. Okay, so this is for the current session, and I will come up with a new topic in the next video. Thank you.